It's an amazing panorama of the city there, where we were just now. But unfortunately, it's so foggy and it's hard to take photos.
Yeah.
Today we are on a road trip through Austria as we pass through Hilkeren, some glorious scenery including a castle, as we then pass through Engelhardzell. From there we drive through more forest as we pass through Piravern. More driving and more stunning scenery before we arrive at gorgeous Passau in Germany. After sampling the longest hot dogs, which were awesome, we finish up at Oberhaus Castle with its panoramic views. So grab a coffee, sit back, relax and enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's 15th November, Thursday, 2018, and we are on our way to Passau Monastery.
Well, the monastery is called Oberhaus, but it's in Passau.
Okay, we're still on our way to Passau.
That village is called Hacking.
Okay.
Like the hacking. Yeah.
Hacking. Yeah, it's a very gorgeous view here.
Village life.
Man, it smells around here.
Probably of cows.
Yeah.
Hilkering. This town's called Hilkering.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Great experience driving through this.
Oh, that's where they've got probably grapes grown.
Wow. He was inspired.
Yeah. It's so beautiful.
Look at the fog.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, manure.
I've never experienced that before, that's for sure.
It's gorgeous.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Nice colours, that's for sure.
Yeah.
My favourite song too.
Yeah. Look at the colours here.
Wow, it's very thick fog too.
This is so gorgeous. It's 5 degrees.
5 degrees only.
Yeah.
No wonder. It's so cold.
It's sunny.
It's sunny.
Yeah. Yeah, it hasn't stopped.
Just back filming.
It's just endless forest and we practically have the road to ourselves. We rarely see a car coming in either direction.
Very relaxing driving here.
Yeah, it's nice. It's a comfortable drive. Great driving conditions. It's clear, sunny, no wind, no rain.
Just perfect.
Perfect.
Maybe a little bit warmer. But
Yeah, the
otherwise-
warm a bit, but other than that,
Yeah, other than that, it's perfect.
this is just simply stunning.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Okay. It's so gorgeous. Castle. Trying to capture the castle, but it's tough. They're still operational, yeah, these things? Like on the left?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, that looks gorgeous.
Engelhardzell. Engelhardzell.
Wow.
Great
It's
name.
quite, yeah, it's quite full on.
We're not very far away from the border with Germany as it stands.
Okay, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's a power
Wow,
station.
wow, but is it still,
Yeah, it would be.
yeah, it's still working? Wow,
Yeah, look how cool it looks.
that looks incredible. Whoever came up with that, that was a genius. Hopefully he will be back in a year or so, or two. It's just so enjoyable, just driving through the scenery. Autumn, we've never been in autumn in Europe. It's always the first.
Colours just blow my mind because I've never seen anything quite like this. Come, it still looks so beautiful.
Yeah, and I just got a message from Vodafone, welcome to Germany.
We've crossed into Germany at something, so these obviously go all the way to Basel.
Wow, it looks huge.
Been away.
When? Sounds Asian. Almost.
Passau is 30 kilometres away. Oh, look at this cute church here.
Yeah, I already noticed that.
Look at the church.
Oh man, I love this. It looks so good.
This is called Strasse Kaiser und König.
So we're only 14 minutes away from the monastery, Passau. 7 kilometers. Relaxed and not bothered with anything.
Yeah, just look how quiet and civilised everything is. You're a million miles away from anything.
In the
Love the
scenery.
lights and everything.
I know, me too. So gorgeous. So yellow colours. City tax.
Yeah, this is 80 cents city tax. I mean, that's a scam.
It is. It shouldn't be
That's some sort of
charged.
scam they got going.
We don't live here. Look at this bridge. Yeah.
Admittedly, 80 cents is not much, but still.
But it's more than 80 Aussie cents, obviously. It's probably
Yeah,
a dollar.
80 cents would be
It's
about
a dollar?
$1.40 or something.
Wow.
$1.30.
Jeez.
It's a good bridge.
Wow, I love this.
Stone bridge.
Yeah, so there's a lot of city tax.
Yeah, I noticed this throughout Europe that there's no city taxes.
And I remember I complained about it to someone last year. That we shouldn't be charged. So we're in Passau.
Passau.
So we're just gonna find a monastery, which yeah, it's pretty cool. So we're gonna turn from off 700 meters. We're gonna turn right. It's very cute.
Yeah.
City vibes, or small town vibes, I should say.
Fuck.
What do you do?
I didn't realise it was coming at me. It was turning.
Wow.
Wow, the river.
Wow, look at the river here too. Wow. Reminds me a bit of Innsbruck vibes.
Yeah.
Like this sort of bridge and like
Yeah.
all the buildings. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we had to run, didn't
It's something else. We're going somewhere else. I think that was the place.
I think we had to turn left somewhere. It showed. No? It's pretty cute. All these trees like next to the road. We just had the biggest sausage in history.
Ever.
It's the longest. Oh, wow.
Passau.
Is that Passau?
Yeah, we're in Passau.
I know we are in Passau, but the monastery.
Yeah, it's all Passau.
Okay.
Passau's a great place.
Wow. We had some of the great sausages.
That was the biggest sausages we've ever had in our life. They were easily 2 foot long each.
Yeah. They're super tasty.
Yeah, forget about the foot long Subway. These are 2 foot long.
Amazing. It was the biggest. Seriously, it was the best. Oh. Very cool. It's like a little tunnel.
Yeah.
And they sausage very quickly.
Okay, let's get up there. We're just going to park somewhere so we can walk there.
Okay, hopefully we don't have to walk too far.
Just somewhere around here.
Yeah. Alright. We've got a park. Is it the monastery we want to see?
Yeah, it's a castle.
Castle.
Okay, we just need to park somewhere.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Wow, we're now way to see the monastery. Or whatever it is. We just made a U-turn. And we are going to a parking spot. What's a view here? Oh, amazing.
You can catch me on Instagram for behind the scenes photos and fantastic adventures. Hi, we're in Passau. So this is a castle. We just met some Russians actually. Well, we
didn't actually meet them.
Meet them.
They were just
yeah,
here.
we saw them.
Yeah.
Was two guys and two girls.
Yeah.
Just freaky.
Yeah, just thinking that Russians are here in Passau, checking out these things. We're thinking, how could they even know about this stuff? And I thought, well, they're probably university educated, so we should give them a bit of credit. Probably being a bit harsh on them, I think.
It's an amazing panorama of the city there, where we were just now.
Where we were.
But unfortunately, it's so foggy and it's hard to take photos.
Yeah.
And Vic reckons just the light is not predisposed to us.
Yeah, it's not predisposed. We're doing as well as we can here, given the circumstances. Yeah.
So it's I like it. It's really nice. It's a bit chilly.
Yeah.
No.
Someone's laughing like a kookaburra over there.
It's little kids there.
Yeah.
I don't know what they're doing there, but it seems like.
Wow, this is great views.
Yeah, it's gorgeous views, that's for sure.
Yeah. All right then.
All right, well, we have to head off to Regensburg.
Yep.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode. We'll catch up with you again in our next episode. Remember to like and subscribe for all the latest episodes and updates. Hi again, a place called Valhalla. It took some courage to actually go down here to the place.